We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam on an HP LaserJet M404dn. So, with your tray, a lot of times paper jams start pretty much in the tray. You have these little blue tabs right here. These are your adjustments for the size of paper that you're using. So you want to definitely make sure these are in the correct slot. And then there's also one right here for any envelopes or labels. Make sure it's in the correct spot as well. You have these little, this is called a max fill indicator. You never want to fill too close to that little tab part right there. If you do, it'll be too tight for the rollers to pick up the paper. Anytime you are adding new paper to your old paper, you don't want to just throw in your new paper. If you do, a lot of times it won't be aligned. So then if it's not aligned, it'll try to pick up the paper underneath instead of the top paper and result causing a jam. So combine it together and fan it out. Sometimes the condensation or moisture in the air can cause the pages to stick together. Once you fan it out, realign the paper all together, stick it in your tray, and you should be good to go. If you're seeing a lot of paper jams, it might be time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.